In the annals of history, there are those whose brilliance illuminates our understanding of the world, yet their legacy is often woven with complexity, known to have steered one of the greatest turns of science in world history. Dr. Robert Oppenheimer, also known as the father of the atomic bomb, was born on April 22, 1904. He was a visionary physicist whose intellect knew no bounds. From his early days as a bright young student to his later role as the director of the Los Alamos National Laboratory, Oppenheimer's journey was marked by groundbreaking discoveries and profound ethical dilemmas. His brilliance led him to the forefront of scientific innovation, where he played a pivotal role in shaping our understanding of the atomic nucleus and quantum mechanics. Oppenheimer's most significant contribution came during World War II, when he was tasked with leading the Manhattan Project, a top-secret endeavor ordained by the U.S. and aimed at developing the world's first atomic bomb. Under Oppenheimer's leadership, the Manhattan Project brought together some of the brightest minds in science from around the world to tackle an unprecedented challenge. But as the project progressed, Oppenheimer grappled with the weight of his creations and the moral implications of unleashing the devastating power of an atomic bomb. The task ahead of us is daunting, but we must press on in the name of science and national security. A statement made by Dr. Oppenheimer with unparalleled determination. Oppenheimer and his team pushed the boundaries of scientific knowledge amidst the chaos of the world, culminating in the successful detonation of the first atomic bomb on July 16, 1945. The Trinity test, a name given to the first atomic bomb detonation, unleashed a force unlike anything the world had ever seen, setting the stage for the use of nuclear weapons in warfare. Less than a month later, on August 6, 1945, and in the heart of World War II, the United States dropped an atomic bomb on Japan and in the city of Hiroshima, instantly killing tens of thousands of people and causing widespread destruction. 3 days later, a second atomic bomb was dropped on Nagasaki, further escalating the death toll and leaving a lasting legacy of suffering and devastation. I have become death, the destroyer of worlds. These words haunt me, for I have witnessed the devastating power of the bomb. These haunting words, spoken in the aftermath of the Trinity test, encapsulate the profound moral dilemma that plagued Oppenheimer in the wake of the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. After the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki during the Cold War, Dr. Robert Oppenheimer, the brilliant physicist behind the atomic bomb, met with Harry S. Truman, the U.S. president at the time. However, the meeting did not unfold as Oppenheimer had hoped. Their encounter reflected the tension of the era, as Oppenheimer's insights into the devastating power of nuclear weapons clashed with the political realities of the burgeoning arms race. Despite Oppenheimer's efforts to advocate for nuclear disarmament, the meeting underscored the complexities of navigating science, politics, and the specter of global conflict in the post-war world. In the turbulent years that followed, Oppenheimer found himself embroiled in the politics of the Cold War, accused of harboring sympathies for ideologies deemed opposing to American interests. In 1954, Oppenheimer's security clearance was revoked following a highly controversial hearing before the Atomic Energy Commission. The decision to strip him of his security clearance was based on allegations of communist sympathies and concerns about his loyalty to the United States. This persecution had a profound impact on Oppenheimer's personal and professional life, tarnishing his reputation and limiting his opportunities for further scientific contributions. Despite efforts to overturn the decision and rehabilitate his image, Oppenheimer continued to face challenges until his death in 1967. Notwithstanding the controversies that shadowed his later years, Oppenheimer's contributions to science were unequivocal. His advocacy for international cooperation and the peaceful use of atomic energy left an indelible mark on the world. Oppenheimer's moral advocacy for nuclear disarmament in the post-war era stands as a testament to his complex legacy. Dr. Robert Oppenheimer's journey from brilliant physicist to architect of the atomic bomb is a story of scientific achievement tempered by ethical quandaries. Join us in our next video as we continue to explore history, legacies, and the foundations of our world today.